Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about hair removal, about IPL or laser hair removal treatments from the convenience of your own home. Right now, I'm just getting really sick of shaving my legs. I mean, I've been doing it, I don't know how many decades at this point, but I wanted to start focusing on removing the hair from my legs so that I don't have to shave as often. So I'm going to be talking about this device right here, going to be going over what's in the box, what comes with it, and then do a demo as well showing you how I use it. These are great because you can do them from the convenience of your own home and you're saving money as well. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out more about laser hair removal from the convenience of your own home, then just keep watching. So the IPL or intense pulse light or laser device that we are going to be talking about today is right here. This is from Hikyskin. Now, I know I mentioned in my last video that I'm filming on my phone and I have it where I'm looking directly at myself. So everything is going to peer backwards or mirror. So I just wanted to mention that, but this is from Hikyskin. This is what the device looks like. So this is for hair removal, skin rejuvenation, and acne removal. Now, you can use this device on many parts of the body. Today, I'm going to be targeting my leg, beginning the process of my legs, just my lower legs. And they have great instruction manuals. They have a quick start guide, which we'll get into, to walk you through how many minutes you do each body part. But you can do your face, you can do your underarms, you can do your bikini line, your legs, etc. So I did want to mention that. So I'm going to open up the box and this is what it looks like. We've got everything very neatly packaged and I do have the instructions right here. So it's great because not only do they give you a really detailed manual right here, but they give you a quick start guide, which honestly, this is all I really need. So I really like this. I'll probably be referring to it, but they literally walk through everything you're going to need to know: what body part, how long to use, how many weeks, how many times a week. This is what the actual device looks like. I'll get close up so you can see. I really like the gold detail on it. It's very, very lightweight, very sleek, and it's very easy to hold. I've used one in the past that kind of almost look like massage guns or hair dryers, and they're kind of heavy and they're not as easy to hold and control. Whereas this one, it's curved. You can fit your hand on it very easily and go or do whatever areas you need to do. It's very lightweight. So this is what we are going to be using. And then in addition to the device that it comes with an adapter to obviously plug this in. So it comes with this adapter right here. Last but not least, it comes with protective goggles that you want to wear when you are using this device to protect your eyes. So we are going to be wearing these because we want to protect our eyes. That's what they look like. So it is nice that they include these because there are some devices that I've even used in the past. They don't include the protective goggles, or they're just kind of like thin and dinky goggles. So these, if you really did like them, you could wear them as sunglasses, but that's what we are going to be wearing to protect our eyes. And then it also comes with a little kind of microfiber cloth to clean these if you get any fingerprints on it or anything. And then also, lastly, it comes with a razor. You do have to shave whatever part you are going to be doing the treatments on for the best results. So they include a little razor, as you guys can see through the packaging right there. But that's everything that comes in the box. It's not super overwhelming. And honestly, you guys, this is going to be super easy. I'm going to show you in the demo. I just want to read a little bit about this. So it says, under the irradiation of pulse light of a specific wavelength and pulse width, the melanin in the skin absorbs the energy and transmits the transient heat to the hair follicle. When the hair follicle reaches a certain temperature, it enters a dormant phase, causing the hair to stop growing in stages and eventually fall out. Finally, by using the device for about 8 weeks or more, the desired results can be achieved. Now, what's cool about this one, and not all these devices come with this, so I really appreciate it that it does, especially for people who are sensitive or are afraid that this is going to hurt them. They have an ice cool feature or cooling feature in this. It says, enabling the ice cooling mode can reduce the burning and irritation sensed during operation with a painless experience Meanwhile, the flashing speed has been increased to your free hand. So there is like an auto flash mode as well, so you don't have to keep pressing the button, which we'll eventually get into. But I do like that they include that cooling feature because it literally makes it painless. We are going to be focusing on our legs today. So it says legs are about 8 minutes, but I'm not going to be doing my entire legs. I'm just going to show you one leg, but I want to be focusing from basically my knees downward. I'm not really concerned about my upper legs. For some reason, hair doesn't really grow like it does on the bottom, up on the top of my legs. So we're going to be focusing on that. And it says for the first 4 weeks, you want to use the device 2 times every week on whichever area you're trying to target. And then from 5 to 8 weeks, 1 time every week. And then after 8 weeks, 1 to 2 times every month. And it does say that the effectiveness of use varies from person to person. Please increase or decrease the maintenance intervals according to your actual situation. So after the 8 weeks for me, I still probably will just like do this like once every month or so, just to kind of maintain it. But if I don't have to shave my legs every day, like that will be great. So I just plug this in. As you can see, it says off. I know it's in reverse, but it says off. So I am going to turn this on right here. Now there are 9 strength or intensity levels. So if you kind of are starting off or know you could be sensitive, I would start off maybe at like 1 or 2. I'm probably going to start off in the middle, but you can work your way up to a 9. So I'm going to turn it on. And this is also how you're going to adjust whichever level. So we're at level 1 right now, as you guys can see. I'm going to go up to probably like a level 4 right there. And you can see the amount of pulses. It's under 1 million pulses, which is crazy. And then there are different modes. So the M button right here is the mode. So right now I have it in the hair removal mode, but there's a little snowflake right there. That's the ice cooling mode. So I'm going to feel this. It's cold, you guys. So I personally don't think I'm going to need to do this on my legs. But again, if you are sensitive, you basically, like say you were doing your underarms, you would basically hold this. It's like really cold. You would hold this to it for a little bit. And then you would go into, you know, removing the hair with the warmer pulse lights, but this is going to help make it feel painless. So I am going to put the glasses on. Now I know that this does come with a razor, but I literally just shaved my legs today. So I am going to save this for a different time. I don't need to use this, but again, you do need to remember to have the area shaved for the best results. First off, yes, I still have my pajama pants on, so disregard. Next, I want to just focus kind of like this area right here. I don't really necessarily need to do my upper leg, so that's what we're going to be focusing on. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to adjust it to level 4, turn the ice mode off, and go back to just basic hair removal, as you guys can see. And I'm going to put this in the continuous mode. So the continuous or auto mode, you're going to want to press on this for 3 seconds. And then it's going to do it. I'm going to start off here. And you just keep moving up. Now, these pulses are quick. I've used other devices before where it's like seems like a couple seconds in between each one. So you're basically just moving up a little bit to try to get every area. But do you see how quick this is going? And so for the first 4 weeks, I'm going to do this twice a week on each leg. So it'll take a couple minutes. Nothing major. And you're just going to keep moving up. And honestly, it feels like nothing. And just kind of keep going to each section of the leg. So it's really simple. You guys kind of get the gist. And then once I'm done, I'm not going to show you my whole legs, but once I'm done, I'll do this leg. I'll be good to go, and I'll do this in a few days. So that is it. It's really simple. And if you guys are interested in this device, this laser hair removal IPL, kind of like multifunctional device, if you will, I will link this down below. It is by Hikyskin, so look in the description down below. But I love that you can do this from the convenience of your own home. It's really quick. In my opinion, painless. Honestly, if you feel like it's going to be pain, you just put the ice function on and you'll be good to go. You don't need to go to like a med spa and get multiple treatments, which could be very expensive down the road. So if you guys are interested in this, I will have it linked down below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried these out. If you're thinking of trying any of these devices out or this one, I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.